Welcome to my successful how-to videos and the current train channel. Today I'm going to show you how easily to change the air filter. And each time that I do something for the first time, there is a little bit of anxiety. It's a little bit, and sorry for the comparison, like your first girlfriend or boyfriend. So you don't really know how it's going to end up, how many tools do you need. I'm going to tell you, this one was a very easy one. So the first thing that you do, there is a clamp here that you can see. You open it and then you remove that piece and the air filter is there. I've never seen something that easy to do. And good news for me is that there is very, very little dust. Actually, the only thing that I see are mostly bugs. And those bugs, as you can see here, I'm going to clean them with this tool, this pick, which, by the way, that's one of the tools. I've discovered that lately in my handyman life. But this is one of the tools that I use the most now, and there is a link below the video if you want to buy it. So I'm going to clean it. As you can see, it's very clean. And there is the way you assess the cleanliness. It's how much dust you have on the paper of the air filter. So when it's like that, you can just clean it with a toothpick, my metal toothpick, and an old toothbrush, and then you put it back. So the good news is that this one is fairly expensive. It's a little bit the high end. I'm going to be able to return it to the car accessory retailer and get my money back, and I think it's going to be perfect. So, and of course, as you can imagine, to put it back, it's just the reverse operation. So, excuse me, the cone that side, and then you put it back here and you clamp it. I have only one hand, but you understand. One thing that I would do if I were you, while you have that which is removed, I would look inside your engine bay and make sure that everything looks right, especially the belt, is the belt in a good condition or not. So let me try to zoom a little bit. So you see here the belt, yes. Good opportunity to look under the hood in places where typically you don't have visual view access. Again, I'm sorry because the video is a little bit long and I am a little bit chatty, but that was perhaps the job in my entire handyman how to videos. That was the easiest, without surprise and with very little tools. As mentioned, if you want air filters and this toothpick that I highly, highly recommend, by the way, there are multiple shapes, 90 degrees, 45, twisted. Just look below the video, there are some links. And thank you again for watching my successful how-to videos.